Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I cannot believe May is already over. It is June, so that means it's time for my May favorites and flops video. We're going to be going into my favorite products I've been grabbing for the most this month, as well as a couple that didn't exactly work out for me. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. And please don't forget to subscribe because I do upload 3 times a week. And that is the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So let's jump right into the video. Alright, so I know that this is a lot more color than I normally do. I did just get finished filming a 2-in-1 video reviewing the new Too Faced Damn Girl mascara and doing a full tutorial on a very drag-inspired eye look for June, which is Pride Month. So I'm not gonna link that video because this one's going up first. That video will be coming very soon. And for today, we're gonna jump into my favorites. So first, this is not gonna be a surprise to any of you. From BoxyCharm this month, this is the Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio. I got the medium tan one. I am wearing a combination of Isla and Seclusion on my cheeks today. I am in love with this blush. It is super beautiful. It wears super nice. I did also get my hands on the light palette, so I have worn this now twice. I definitely don't know which one I like more because the tones are, I'm not gonna say similar, but they are similar. You definitely get nice neutral blushes. They're definitely different tones. I don't think you need both, but I personally do like to mix and match between the two. So the formula is beautiful. These are amazing, especially if you are either an aspiring or freelance makeup artist or you do other people's makeup, because it does give you some flexibility, plus it's super lightweight and easy to travel with. The next 2 items got standalone videos, so I am going to link them here. First, from Dr. Dennis Gross, this is the 2-step peel pad system. It is a resurfacing liquid peel at home. It is clinical strength. It is magically amazing. I use it at least once a week just to kind of resurface my skin and give it a deep exfoliation. It is magical. It is beautiful. I'm obsessed. Again, I did link that video. Go check it out if you want a little bit more insight into how it works, why it works, and all the details. I'm not going to go too in-depth into it. And on the other side of the coin, a video that was a giant bucket of fail. This was the IconSign Lash Lift Home Eyelash Perming Kit. This did nothing for my lashes at all whatsoever. I had a couple people commenting saying that I did it wrong, that it should have stuck a little bit more. This was not sticky. The items in there did not adhere to my lash. I tried using the guard, I tried combing, I tried blending, I tried a lot. After I filmed that video, I did wait a week and then tried to do it again. Not a week, it was like 3 days, I'll be honest. Still, no results. This is not worth the money. I have already contacted them to get a full refund. I am not amused, not okay. Next, something I have spoken about several times. This is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Magic Star Powder in the shade Rose. I have spoken about this before and I am still obsessed with it. However, it's a little bit different in the way I use it now. So I'm just gonna show you really quickly. What I like to do is taking a fluffy brush after I've done my entire makeup. What I will do is I will take a touch of this powder and I will just focus it right here next to the nose on the side of the under eye, and I find that that just adds such a pretty brightness to the face. I don't think I could use another powder to do this same thing because it is cool toned, which means it's a little pinky, perfect for my undertone, but it also brightens this area so nicely that I just find when I'm done baking, I'm done setting, I've done my makeup, I've done everything looks nice and cool and smooth and beautiful. I take a little bit of this powder just to add a touch of pinpoint brightness, just to help open the eyes a little bit more. And just because I did that, I'm gonna go out of order and next grab the Murad Hydration Prebiotic 3-in-1 Multi-Mist. I've used this in like 9 videos already and I'm obsessed. Taking a little bit just to take down the powderiness of that powder, but I'm obsessed. I will use this to prep my face. I will use this to set my makeup. I will basically use this throughout my makeup application just to keep everything looking like skin. It is not sticky, it is not grippy, it is not weird, but it is so good for the skin. It is hydrating, it is plumping, it is everything you want in a multi-mist, and it is skincare. Murad is one of my favorite, if not my favorite skincare brand. I think that most of my routine comes from Murad, and this purple line is beautifully hydrating. Next, also out of my BoxyCharm, this is the Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow in the shade Cupid. I am wearing it all on my lid today. That is not glitter, that is not a shimmer shade, that is this product. It definitely looks a little more pink in the tube. Once you put it on, I'm definitely getting a little more gold on the eyes. I did layer it over like a pinky base just because I did want it to be a little more pink, but I'm in love with the way it wears. It does not crack, it does not crease. It is super metallic and super sparkly, and it is just stunning. Also out of my BoxyCharm this month, there are 2 more products. First, the Coconut Water Cream from First Aid Beauty. This is neither a favorite or a flop. I did just want to give you guys an update. I like it, I don't love it. It is a nice, hydrating, pretty moisturizer, but now that I've been using it for a few weeks, it is definitely not my favorite. It is not going to replace everything else that I use, but I do think it is really nice for prepping the skin. So if you've already hydrated and you just want a little bit more hydration and lightweight tackiness for makeup application, it does give you a nice smooth base underneath. Also out of BoxyCharm, this is the Oryza Beauty Lip Topper. I did not like this. This I have tried a few times to like. It dries down so dry that it is basically just like suspended glitter for the lips. It is grainy, it is granulated, you feel it on the lips, it is not comfortable. It does add some nice shine, so I'm not gonna say that it is useless, but I can get that application and that technique out of so many different lip glosses. Why am I gonna use something uncomfortable? Next, the foundation concealer combo I've been wearing a lot lately from Makeup Forever. This is the Ultra HD Concealer and the Ultra HD Foundation. This is in a mini baby bottle I picked up just because I don't go through enough foundation to really like use a whole bottle. I'm in the shade R260 in the foundation and shade 20 in the concealer. Again, I'm wearing this today and it's actually a really nice match. I didn't have to take it too far down the neck, and everything just comes together really nicely. And I think my favorite part about both is it still looks like skin. Like I have this beauty mark under my eye. I got confused because it looked like I had fallout under my eye. It's a beauty mark that lives there, and I don't know why. I always just cover it up with concealer. Because this is so, like, it's still coverage, but it still lets enough of your skin show through that it does look like skin. Everything just looks and wears so nicely, so I'm definitely a fan of the entire Ultra HD line. I have raved about the Ultra HD Foundation stick for a very long time. I do find that this one is a little bit, I'm not going to say more temperamental, but it does take a little bit more finesse to really make it work. That stick foundation you can plop on your skin, use your hand, and it looks perfect. This one wears a little bit nicer, but it does take a little more effort to blend out. It is still not difficult to work with. One issue I do have with it is my pump is defective, so I have to like unscrew it and use it that way. I will be getting a new pump, but yeah, that's the only negative, but the formula totally outweighs that, and I don't think I've heard too many people complain about that issue with the full size. That might just be an issue with the baby size they came out with, and that's it. And the last item for the month, unfortunately, we have all said our goodbyes to Game of Thrones. I'm not going to share my thoughts because I don't know if you guys have all seen the finale, but I had feelings. When I did see the Urban Decay collection, I swatched, touched, and played with everything, and the only item I picked up was the liner in the shade The Night King. This is the most beautiful, like, turquoise blue. It's stunning. It has such a nice, like, shift to it. The Urban Decay liners are beautiful. They wear really well, but most importantly, they are so long wearing. Like, once this dries down, I'm gonna wipe the swatch off right now because if I don't, it will be on there until I scrub my hand. That's not a bad thing when it comes to something you're putting in your waterline. So it is such a pretty liner. I've used it like 2 or 3 times. As you guys know, like my go-to look when I really want to be effortless is very soft and bronzy, and I'll do like a pop of either purple or blue on the lower lash line. This liner has turned into my current favorite pop of color, and I am obsessed. And that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my favorites and flops for the month. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and as always, let me know what are some of your favorites for the month and some things that didn't work out for you. I say this every month, but it is the honest truth. Your feedback and your comments are what kind of push me in the direction of things that I should be trying, things that might have slipped under the radar, and things you guys just want to see. Like, I recently got a comment asking to test out the new Juvia's Place foundation. That is coming soon because that came straight from you guys. So please make sure to leave me comments down below with what you guys want to see, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!